you at? GT350? Yeah. Let me just hit this real quick. Yeah. God damn. Alright guys, so the Genesis Coupe is now sold and we are now in an FK8 Civic Type R. What we're going to end up doing for today's video is we're actually going to do my first canyon run, and honestly for the car being stock it really does handle well. Let's go ahead and get into the footage of the canyon run. Let me just hit this real quick. Yeah. God damn. Alright, let me give you a quick look at these cars right quick. So we got my brother's car, the GT350. He only has lowering springs, and then he has a Resonary Delete, and these are active exhaust, so this is pretty sick. And then I was already showing y'all my homie's MR2. Yes, this is my homie's MR2, man. He is beautiful, man. I honestly wouldn't mind having one of these one day. That would be pretty sick. And then we got the homie that you know, was in front just leaving us all behind. You got the little Miata. Gained so much more respect going on the canyons because this dude was freaking just leaving me behind. So I think he's only on lowering springs that he just recently got, but man, this first run definitely humbling. So you're saying you were still lagging behind Ali? Yeah. Damn, because it seemed like you were pretty far from Cam. Yeah, I was lifetime away from Cam. I was like at least 30 seconds away from Cam. Alright, I'll go behind you. Yeah. But don't like fucking push it. Right. He was pushing it on me though. This will be interesting. We're gonna get some sick ass turbo spool and turbo noises from him. Oh my God. left me. you at? GT350. Oh, damn.
You want to call Cam?
Yeah. Call Cam. You good?
Yeah, this fucking big ass truck out in front of me. Y'all fucking.
Oh, he just passed us. Hey, he just passed us.
Okay, y'all probably catch up anyway, so.
Yeah. All right.
Alright.
Bye bye. Yeah, he just passed us. I just saw him. Yeah, he said we'll catch up to him.